Hi, in this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to edit the home page of your WordPress website. Just log into your WordPress admin panel. In the admin panel, you will find a pages option here. Just click this. In this area, you will find all the pages of your WordPress website. Just scroll down and find where the front page is. You can see the title here, front page. This is the home page of your WordPress website. And if you want to change, if you want to edit it, just mouse over this option. You will find some sub options like edit, quick edit, bin, view, etc. Just click the edit option. Now you are in this position to edit your home page. You can edit the title, you can edit the permalink, you can edit all of these sections. For example, I want to change some text here. I have to click this edit text block. Here we go. You can change here whatever you want. And after changing, just save. And after saving, just update the page.